In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix store to Printify, an incredibly helpful tool for those looking to streamline their e-commerce operations. By the end of this video, you'll know how to integrate these two platforms effortlessly, allowing you to manage and sync your products with ease. Let's dive right in and get started. First, let's navigate to the Printify dashboard. If you're not already familiar with Printify, it's a print-on-demand service that helps streamline the process of selling customized products like t-shirts, mugs, and more. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the section labeled Integrations. This part of the dashboard is where you'll find the various platforms you can connect with your Printify account. You'll see a list of options, but for today we're focusing on Wix. Select the Wix integration, and you'll be prompted to connect your Wix store to Printify. This part is crucial as it allows Printify to sync seamlessly with your Wix site, ensuring that your products are updated automatically. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. If you're already logged into your Wix account, this process should be fairly quick. Printify will request access to your store, and once you approve, the connection will be established. Now, once you've successfully connected your Wix store to Printify, it's time to sync your products. This step is essential for ensuring that everything from your Printify catalog is available on your Wix site. Go back to your Printify dashboard and look for the option to sync products. This is usually straightforward, as Printify's user-friendly interface is designed to guide you through the process effortlessly. Select the products you want to sync. You may choose to sync your entire catalog or just specific items. Keep in mind that regular updates or changes in your Printify catalog will automatically sync with your Wix store moving forward. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of tips to ensure a smooth experience. First, make sure all your product details on Printify are accurate, including titles, descriptions, and prices, as this information will be reflected on your Wix store. Also, remember that anytime you add new products or make changes to existing ones in Printify, it's a good idea to revisit the sync feature just to ensure everything stays up to date. So, there you have it, a quick and easy way to connect your Wix store with Printify, ensuring your e-commerce operations run smoothly. With these two platforms working together, you'll be able to focus more on growing your business while enjoying the convenience of automated updates. Thank you for joining us today, and don't hesitate to come back for more tips and tutorials. Happy selling, and see you next time.